Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about Pi network update. Watch till the end of the video to know about the Pi network, what's actually going on Pi network. Then before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the update very fast whenever I upload the new video about Pi network updates, new minings, new airdrops. And this is our official website cryptonetra.com, where you can find out if you are a very beginner on crypto market, then this is for you. And earning section, review and news, where in earn section you will find the latest airdrops, minings and play to earn games. And when in review, if you turn on the notification of this, also you will get daily notification whenever I upload new step-by-step guide for mining and airdrops for very new users. Let's go back to the Pi network. And one thing I need to make you clear, many people even don't know about what is migrated and what are transferable balance. Let's have a look first. And don't forget to mine daily. You need to mine this daily so that you will get good amount of Pi whenever it launches. While on launch, we won't get the chance to make the Pi. So in the screen you can see the balance dashboard. Here is 143,833 Pi is unverified, and transferable 1.92 Pi is transferable, and migrated is 2900. This is what I mined by myself entire year whenever I started from there to now. And this is the transferable balance that appear in the transferable section, where you can send and receive the Pi coins. And unverified, main thing is unverified. On the section of unverified, this is from referrals, and whenever the people who used your invitation link gets their KYC approved, then only it will become to migrated and transferable. This is how it works. And if you are still stuck on KYC, then you need to hurry up fast. First, you have to continue mining daily for 30 days. And we are at the deadline also. They can open the KYC later also, but it's very low chances to do KYC after the mainnet launch. If I got any update, I will update you. Obviously that's not a big deal, but I will be updating you about the Pi networks. And let's have a look on Pi browser what's going on here. Sign in Pi browser. Okay, actually I want to show you the Fireside Forum. It's like the social media on Web3 platform by Pi network. All pioneers can engage here. And like this, what he have posted, you see this person has posted on photography. This is the photography. He published the photography, and I think he got this much amount of Fireside tokens. If you know better, please comment down what actually it is. I'm also using it. So profile, I go to the profile, and all tips received. I got 0.5 tips. That's very good. Yeah. On this, did you completed KYC? Your KYC, I'm just updating my videos on here, and I'm getting the good views and response from here too. So like this, I'm spending my balance. Which balance? I'll show you. Go to my tokens. I have 844.5 token here. Now with 1 Pi we can buy 100 tokens. With 10 Pi we can buy 1000 tokens. With 100 Pi we can buy 10,000 token. And also it is worth of buying. And so if you want to post something here, just search the channel list. And I used to give people about update and news, so I will choose the news here. Pick a channel and give a title. What's your content? You write the content here. If you have YouTube videos, then link is here. Whatever you have, you can post the link here, and it should be on under the guidance, under the line of Pi guidelines. We should stay under the Pi network guideline, community guideline, to protect the community. They have the guideline. We should be under the guideline. So if you have any photography related Pi, then you can pick a channel, title your post here, content here, describe about the image you have, photography, and this is also the platform from where you can be famous on Pi Fireside Forum. Like this, people are very famous here. You see here, people are doing like this, and I will be updating and I will stay updated on Fireside Forum. You can add me on Fireside Forum with this username. I will mention it in the description box below, Million T. And let's have a look. I will show you some. So if I want to give some coins like this to him and comment here, I can go here, I can give the plus and I will give 1 point and I click nice. Like this we can increase our community on Pi network. So pay 1 token, yeah, it's added here. So this works as a social media on Web 2.0. We are using Google Chrome and Facebook, Instagram, like this. This is also the platform for Web3, and lots of good things are about to come after the open mainnet. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Before leaving the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel and joined our Telegram group or Telegram channel, so that you will get daily updates on different videos like this. And also don't forget to visit our official website where you can find different airdrops and minings like Pi network. They will be very free, and also you will get the news about free airdrops and minings, and that you have involved in, you will get the update from there also. At last, keep your mining on daily on Pi network, and also you can also follow me on Fireside Forum by Pi network. This is my ID, you can follow me. Before leaving the video, you see here how people are engaged and how people want to grow the ecosystem of Pi network, and they are involved in a Pi network marketplace. How they are evolving, or the new revolution, they are adopting the new revolution by the Pi network Web 3.0. This photo and this one is real. And what's this product? I actually don't know what's product is this. People are selling like this, and Pi coin, they have a hoarding board, or what's that, Pi, pay with Pi. That's very very it's the revolution. It's a AI generated, but these are not AI generated. This is how this much is how people are eager to use their Pi coins on different goods and services. What actually was the motto of Pi network creator Dr. Nicholas has a vision to provide people, everyday people, the Pi per people, so that they can use the Pi coins to buy daily goods and services. And actually, as per the plan of Nicholas, it's going on the way, and we are just waiting for the open mainnet network. At last, people are being scammed by many buyers and sellers of Pi coins. People used to scam you by giving higher rate. There is no any official rate of Pi network, and if someone promises you to give the higher rate like $5 per Pi, then that's a pure scam. You need to get rid of from this kind of activities by scammers. And also, if you want to buy or sell the Pi, then you can mention in the comment box, or you can contact with The link I have provided in the description box, Telegram group, Telegram channel. Our team will help you for this. So this much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.